My people, I don't bring on a very, very interesting matter. This one, they very touching and smooth. In fact, I am over motivated for this story we are brief on. 20-year-old girl, named na Jennifer, they work as laborer. You know understand? Laborer for this construction site so that she go fit pay his school fees and pay other bills and take care of himself. But people, person where they talk about, she they attend University of Edo State, and this construction site where they talk about too, e dey behind the university. So una fit imagine this girl get no, you no go understand. Behind her university na dey the construction site dey. She no mind whether the students go see am, whether na so this girl just start. And according to matter, they even tell me say im friends dey laugh am, im friends dey mock am, say how she go dey do this kind thing, big girl like her, you understand? So abeg, I don bring the video because I wan make una see Jennifer with una korokoro eyes. Join me, make we watch the video.
It's hard for me to ask for things from people, and like I'm a very shy person, so me asking, I feel like maybe I probably owe the person something. So
How for you jump now?
I was coming back from a class, one of our classes one day, and then I saw the construction site at the back of my previous hostel. And then the next day I went to the site. It's a 3-story building, so I was told to carry 12 buckets of sand up to the last floor, and then fetch water, and also 10 buckets of granite. The construction site was at the backyard of my previous hostel. So when my classmates came outside, and then our roommate and our neighbors, they were like, "Na Jennifer be that too." They started laughing at me, and it was while we were on break. Like I had finished pouring my pan, my portion, and then I was just waiting. Then one of my colleagues was with his phone, and like, "Hey, can you just take a picture? It's been a while. I updated my media on Twitter." And so, like, okay, he snapped me, and I didn't take my phone to the place. So while he was leaving, I asked him to wait. So I went back to the hostel, picked my phone, then he transferred the photos to me, and then I posted them on Twitter. But then that day, I got paid 4,000 naira for working at the site. That was the amount of work I did. And so then when I got to my hostel, my coursemate and our roommates were like, "Wait, how much were you paid? What happened?" I'm like, "Well, I was paid for." They're like, "Wow, that was nice. Maybe we'll follow it the next day." Like, okay, no problem. There is work for everybody. And so I don't usually get lots of engagement on Twitter. The highest likes I've gotten was 70 something. So I thought it would just be like the normal ones, and then I mean it's just me walking, and no one would even pay attention or anything. So I posted it, and then I did 35 minutes to an hour. My coursemate and our roommates who were also following me on Twitter were like, "Jennifer, seems like like say this is on the blow." Like, you sure? So I went back to Twitter, and then I was like, "No, like this thing serious." So then before I knew it, I started receiving commendations, cash donations, and of course, the other ones, hashtags, and well, some I basically didn't reply to the negative comments. I only was just saying thank yous and thank yous to those who replied something that was okay by me. So like, and then before I knew it, started seeing my friends were sending me screenshots of my tweet on different blogs, and like, wait, ow! I mean, I never thought it would go viral.
Chai! How una feel? No, as una watch this thing, hear her talk, how una dey feel, like how una body dey do una. The fact alone say this girl no even mind say person dey laugh am, e no give up. In fact, I am motivated. No, are they serious? Because this thing no dey happen for our time. In fact, this our days presently. Which girl you go see wey go choose labouring work to pay school fees? People even dey laugh am. People even dey, she still dey smile. She still dey willingly to go school despite all the things wey dey happen. This is reality o. All of una wey go dey talk say hey, they made it up. They do the reality. It is real. And this is the reality that a lot of young girls have refused to face. This is it. If I tell una say people dey refuse to work, una no go gree. See am. People refuse to work. People now like easy way. Sleep around with allergy, with sharp money. But una no even know say this sleeping around to na work. Yes. Imagine you need like 100,000 naira or 1,000 cedis. And the people you have to sleep with have to give you 100. How many people you go sleep with before you go make that thing? 10 people. So just imagine. See, this is something that all of us should emulate. We should learn. Are they proud of this girl? Are they super proud of this girl? Because see, one thing I want to let you know, don't be ashamed of your hustle. Because nobody will feed you. And by the time you go hungry, you start begging. Now them go still mock you. Now them go still gossip about you. Now them go still insult you. So do your hustle. See, as long as it's legit. You understand? As long as say na legit something, do and no look anybody face. Even if you get person wey can help you, you say you don't want to work because somebody is helping you. How long will the person help you? How long will the person help you? Even some of them, when they help you, say the whole world go hear am. Is it not this girl? I gave her trouser the last time. Hey, I'm the one feeding her. The whole world go hear am. See this girl. Tomorrow now, all the people wey know say get big mouth, they go come out. When she make am tomorrow, she was sleeping around with men. She was doing this thing. Now una no dey see o. That is life for you. People don't see when you are suffering. The moment you start shining now, I see something is smelly. She was sleeping around for money. She is one man. One man is behind this whole thing. One man is do. Make una ask runs girls. Ask for girls why them they do am. No work. Now wetin they go tell you? Ask them. Just meet one girl where you know say they do those things. Ask her, say, babe, also why they do this thing? Go tell you say work no dey. Wetin una just watch. It is high time you stop saying I don't have a choice. We all have choices. It depends on the one you want to take. We all have choices. And see, in as much as una they laugh this girl, for all of una, if you know say they watch me, you laugh this girl, shame on you. Shame on you. Yes. Una no know say people they go through things for this life. All these big people, celebrities, wanna see if they sit down, tell you what they go through. You go just your mouth no go feel close. All these people where you see Benz, Range Rover, where they get out today. Forget say many people now men they support. But we get people, women, and they talk about women now. We get women where they worked hard. Are they serious? So I beg, why I bring this thing now so that I go encourage anybody where need encouragement right now. Anywhere you are, I don't know what they go through, but I bring this thing so that you go not say all hope is not lost. We have choices. So I beg, no give up. No give up. When I see this girl, not only she know what she they go through. Maybe family said no feel support, no feel understand, but she must go school. Make we follow this kind example. I beg, make una help me share this video. It is very, very important. Share them. We need more helping hands because this girl, if you get chance where you feel help, you know them. You know how to reach her. I beg, just try support. Very, very important. I beg. You understand? You know, say we be good people now. I trust you now. Yes, now the matter be this, and this one leave me smiling. In fact, I am over excited. No, the fact alone when you see say people still they value their, you understand, their dignity. Now good thing. So I beg, this one she deserves a round of applause. Yes. So I beg, help me share this video, make everybody know say Jennifer is leading our young ones not to sleep around. At least no, now example be this now. People just admit them. You understand? And I want to wait till I still think concerning this, but I'll drop her for that comment section. And why not subscribe and click on that bell so that you don't miss anything when we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.